everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about, not this gun, because I've already talked about it, but these 3D printed parts that are specifically designed for Nerf guns. This piece is a double strike attachment where you pretty much have to shave off this piece and this piece using either a hacksaw or a Dremel. I used both because my Dremel battery was dying and I had to charge it while I was doing that. I just used the hacksaw and just cut off like the parts I needed to cut off. And honestly, it fits quite nice and snug in here. Not a lot of, well, yeah, it fits quite snug, but it could take it doesn't take much to pull this thing off. I'm using like a very little bit of power, and I pretty much broke it in. So like broken in as in it's like already nice and carved into the right shape. And the reason why I had to shave it off is if you look down this, like the top piece and the bottom piece, there are, you could see that if you had those sights still on there, it wouldn't go in the first place. This double strike attachment makes the gun more balanced as far as, you know, spinning the Nerf gun. Do a demonstration. So, the other part of this is that, well, two other parts. Has a front sight to replace the front sight that's been taken off on the actual Nerf gun, and has a Batiniki rail right here. I don't know why they have these two holes here for. It looks like an oval and, or more or less a curved rectangle and a circle right here. And I think that's just for the Batiniki attachments to like get on there in a sense. Now for the Nerf sight, this is a little bit complicated because I have to put a lot of force trying to force it on there. Then again, it's painted, so it's not going to have a good fit. Well, this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool, I would say. However, if I combine these two pieces, this won't go in any further. And honestly, I would probably have to do a little shaving off of this piece and this piece to make it so it could fit on here, like kind of like this. As far as the Nerf sight goes, it's pretty basic. No red dot. It's just like a normal sight you would get for like a long strike or a long shot. Same idea. But it is pretty cool. I probably would have added like a little bit of red. Maybe like spray paint it red like on the centerpiece to make it look a little bit more realistic, but then again, I'm too cheap. I gotta mention, this is a really tight fit, so this is gonna take some breaking in to get used. I'm gonna have to get used to this and break it in at the same time. So these 3D printed parts are made with PLA. To print this, I use PLA translucent. I use the printer. My printer is a Monoprice Select Mini 3D printer. It's the smaller version of the other two. And for this one, I did a solid infill, which is like 100% durability. I could pretty much drop this right now, and it wouldn't break. I could probably smash this against a wall and it wouldn't break, but I don't want to test that. Well, maybe. But for the Nerf sight, I did, I think, 20% infill, which is like decent. It's not as solid. And I gotta honestly say, I like the Nerf sight, but it's a little too hard to like push it on and off. Like it's hard to get it onto a Nerf gun in the first place, and then take it off. It's even more of a pain. Let's see. Getting back to the 3D printer, my 3D printer is a Monoprice Select Mini 3D printer, and its extruder diameter, I think that's what the term is. I'm still learning this whole 3D printed stuff, so I would say the diameter that which it can extrude the filament, it's 1.75 millimeters. The bed itself is, in dimensions, is 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters, which is height times width times length. So, it's a pretty big bed. Not in, compared to other beds, this is a pretty basic one. I had to go with the basic because, you know, I'd rather have the basics than have a really good one and then somehow screw it up. And then, it is a heated bed, so that means that I can heat the bed and the extruder while it's printing, so it doesn't stick or melt or like ooze everywhere, as I guess some people call it. I'm also trying to make a, not Nerf related, a outlet holder shelf for my dad, and he'll give me like $10 for it. This is a really cool piece of technology. I like it, and it's perfect for me because I'm still learning like newer technology. And if I have this 3D printer, and I could possibly expand my knowledge and my skills into something business worthy, you know. So I probably am just rambling on like everything else. So I'm gonna end the video now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of these 3D Nerf parts that both are two different owners. I'll find a way to put the links in the description below. If I can't, I'll figure something out. However, they are not my designs. I just simply took the designs and just showcased them. All credit goes to their owners, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.